Hey love bugs and love muffins, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty and I'm back with another video. So the unit I'm going to be rocking in this particular video was sent to me by SHEIN, and SHEIN always come through with the affordable look, so shout out to you, SHEIN. So I just wanted to pop in on here and tell you guys about their spring sale that they are having. It will be from February 20th to April the 8th. Hopefully I will have this video out for you guys next week because right now, honey, it's March 16th. So bear with me, girl. Okay, bear with me. So they wanted me to let you know that they are having wigs under $25. Now this particular wig is not under $25 because it does have like lace and stuff. Even though it's a lace part wig, it does have lace. So I wanted to throw that out there. But in order to search this particular wig sale, you have to type in the search bar wig 11. And I will have that on the screen somewhere for you guys to see. And then if you want the little gift box that I will be showing you guys later on in the video, to get that wig, the little gift box, you have to use the code WIGS24. Now definitely check down below in the description box for all the details and specs, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye.
Everything but can't decide. It's a low thing goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in the mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight.
Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so I am doing a campaign with SHEIN, and if you guys know me, they sent me a script. If you guys know me, you know I ain't good at memorizing no scripts. I'm gonna get this paper out. Get this paper and I'm gonna tell you what they wrote on here. So on here it says they are having like a BOGO sale, so you buy one get one free for the 60 wig selection. So for this particular wig, because I'm doing 3, so it will be 2 other ones, but I think I'm gonna do 2 separate videos for these because this one is 60 and the other 2 are 25. So I think I'm gonna do separate videos, but on this particular video, this wig is $60, and yes, it is a human hair wig, girl. It's a human hair wig, and it is only $60. It's a human hair curly wig. You guys saw me apply product to it. Now it is a T-part wig, but it's human hair T-part. I applied the mousse, I applied water to it, and to fluff it out some, because you guys know I prefer mine a little. I don't really super like the sleek wet look unless it's a super long unit. On the shorter units, I prefer them to look a little like I just rolled out of bed, girl. Okay, what they got on here, they was like, don't tell me you're still paying $100, even $200 for a wig when you can get a $60 wig from SHEIN, girl. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this particular sale that they are having is basically their spring sale, and they are having it from February 20th to April the 9th. So I am filming this. Today is, I think, the 13th. Today is the 13th, so you have plenty, March 13th. So you have plenty of time to go and copy a wig. I plan on having this video out by at least next week. Y'all, I'm all over the place. I am doing 8 million things. You guys know how it go. But I do plan on having this video out to you guys by next week. You can also get free gifts. So I showed you guys the gifts at the beginning of the video. I just want to kind of show them to you again. So these are the goodies. These are the goodies right here. So you get one of these elastic band thingies, a comb, a brush, and yes, I've already used the brush. It does come in practice. I gotta pick my baby up from practice, so I want to say practice so bad. It does come in plastic. I just have used this brush, which I really love. It comes with this brush as well, a wax stick, a wig cap, a baby hair comb brush thingy. And it comes with some bold hold glue. And SHEIN also sells glue remover. So you can buy that, but that wasn't in this particular packaging, so I'm not sure if that's something that comes with it. But if you want to get it, you can get it separately, because they do sell the glue remover. Like, SHEIN is a one-stop shop, honey. Okay, they always coming through with the come through. Okay, like, they don't never disappoint you, girl. Now, as far as this wig, as I stated, it is a human hair wig. It is a T-part unit, but it does, like, as you guys saw, the lace does go from ear to ear, but it is a T-part wig, so you cannot part it wherever you want to. But what I did, because I didn't want to wear it as a middle part, because it is a little dense. Like, let's keep it a whole buck, it is dense. And I prefer to not wear middle parts when a unit is dense. I prefer to do a side part, okay? Because I feel like it makes it not look quite as wiggy, in my opinion. So yeah, but it's a human hair wig and you can get it on a budget, and if I'm not mistaken, it is buy one get one free, girl. Okay, so get you another one, get two, boo. Okay, so yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, I haven't noticed any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any of the things. It's just that straight out of the packaging, she is not neither tangly, neither shedding right out of the packaging. Once again, that's straight out of the packaging. That's not to say it won't at some point. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. So I'm not really gonna do the pros and cons thing that I normally do with other units. This is like a campaign sort of thing, so I'm not gonna do it in my typical structure. The only con, if I did have a con with this unit, it would be that it's a T-part. But I can't really say that's a con because it's an affordable T-part. You know what I'm saying? Like in 2020 when we was going through everything that we were going through, girl, like they were selling T-parts for still expensive. So I love a T-part because I feel like it's a good throw on and go. But if I had to just give something as a con, that would be it. The pros are the price, the fact that it's an easy throw on and go type of unit, and then I mentioned the price, girl. Okay, we love a cute curly, kinky, curly, whatever bob, honey. So those are all my pros. I would definitely recommend you guys check this unit out. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Okay, so I also do want to mention that they have on here to get the free gifts that I showed you guys, use the code WIGS24. I may put that somewhere at the beginning of the video in a voiceover or something and kind of just show you guys, walk you guys through that. But I do want to throw it out there that you can use the code WIGS24 to get the free gift pack. So that it will come with your wig, girl. Like, honey, not only are you getting a cheap wig, but you're getting a free gift, girl. Come through with the come through. Okay, so yeah, I'll have that information listed down below in the description box for your convenience, and you guys can check that out. And yeah, y'all, that is all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions which you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent, and I will see you love folks next time. Bye.